Hello everyone, this is Siddharth and today we will be solving this question which is maximum product subarray. So what we have to do in this problem is that we have to find the product of the subarray which has the maximum product. So let's see uh, how we can solve this problem. So the first approach to solve this problem will going to be the brute force approach. We will start two nested loops and we will start multiplying from first element. First we multiply 1 with -2, then 6, then 0, then 10, then 0, then -4, and we will keep track of the maximum sum, and by math.max we will able to find the maximum sum of the subarray. But this solution will take omega of n square time complexity, which we don't want. We want to solve this question in a linear traversal. So let's see how we can solve that problem. For linear approach also, there will going to be two methods. First first we can just use a for loop and some variables, and the next method will going to be the cadence algorithm. So in this video I will going to be discussing the first approach, which is also the most intuitive approach, and the next one I will going to be discussing on in the upcoming video. So let's start how we can solve this problem using first method. So we will start traversing into an array, and we will keep track of the product from start as well as from the end. Why we are doing that, let's see. So suppose we multiply 1 with -2, so now our product become -2. Now we multiply -4 with 0, so now our product will become 0. So first we have to start from 1, so we create a variable product from start, and we will multiply 1 with that, and after that we will store this element as an answer, and after that we will move to the second element from start as well as from end. In this way in the next traversal what will going to be happening is that we will multiply this 1 with -2, so now our product become -2, but our answer will going to be the same because 1 is greater than -2, and from here as well, starting we have save our sum as 1, so it will going to be the 1. After multiplying -4 with 1, the product will become -4, which is less than 1, so we will continue to move on from the end. Then we will reach to 0. So when we reach to 0, we will initialize a sum as again 1, because after this whatever we will take in our subarray, the product of all those elements will become 0, so there is no need to move forward. So we will initialize our product to 1 again, and after that we will move to 10. We will again multiply this 10 to our product from end, and we will again move to forward in the array, and after that we will multiply 0 again, so again we encounter 0. We will make our sum 0 again, product 0 again. After that we will move to 6. So from the end the maximum will come out to be, after multiplying 6 then -2 1, the maximum product it should be 6, and from the start it will going to be 1 -2 1, then -2, then -12, then 0, then 10. Okay, so from the end it will going to be 10. So you guys can clearly see in this way we can solve this problem. Like sometime, and why we are taking these two, like why we are taking from start and why we are taking from the end, because sometime there will be the element which are negative numbers. They are in the even format from the end. Like let's see this array, like from ending there will be -2 here, then 1 here, and then -4 here. So these two elements will make up to positive element because there are two negative numbers. So that's why we are taking from end as well. So now let's code this out. Okay, so first we will initialize two variables, product from start, which will going to be 1, then product from end, which will going to be 1 again. After that, what we will going to do, we will initialize our answer as integer's minimum value, integer dot min value. After that, what we will do, we will start traversing into the array. Now for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now we have to calculate, now we have to check first if our product from start will become 0, then we will again initialize it to 1, because if our product from start will become 0 here, we will again initialize it to as 1 so that we can multiply forward elements. So after that, we will initialize our product from start is equals to 1, and again we will check. Let's copy paste this ck product from end, product from end. And after this, what we will going to do, we will find out our product from start, which will going to be this, to multiply from 0th element, and after that product from end will going to be array n minus I minus 1. Let's see why we have done this. Like for I0, n minus 1 will going to be the last index, that's why we have done this. After that, we will find our answer, which will going to be math dot max of our answer and maximum of these two. That's what we have discussed in the start. So math dot max product from start and product from end. Okay, now let's return this answer and we are done. Okay, let's try to run this code. There is some error. Where is the error? Okay, we have to use semicolon. I think now it should work fine. Okay, let's try to submit this problem. So all the test cases have been processed. So thank you. See you in the next video, where I will going to be discussing how to solve this question using Kidne's algorithm. Bye.